Hello, Sunday, November 17. Contempt cases are on an alarming increase in the High Court of Telangana. Authority after authority is required to come before the court to purge himself of charges of contempt. Justice Pulakar admits yet another contempt case. This time it's the Principal Secretary for Health and Family Welfare who's called upon to purge himself of charges of contempt in a case filed by T. Suresh Kumar, a person who complains that he's been working as a daily wage employer with the department since 1987. For over 36 years, he complains he's been working as a last grade employee. He's neither been regularized nor has his last grade services grade pay been given to him. He would complain before the court that despite an order by the judge to consider the case of the petitioner for such regularization, no action has been taken by the higher-ups. The judge admits the contempt case and calls for a response from the authorities. Justice M.G. Priyadarshini remanded to the Endowments Tribunal the case of 16 pujaris of the Sri Chennakesava Swami Temple and the Anjaneya Swami Temple of Koduri in Kurnool. These and other petitioners would complain that they were entitled to being recognized as hereditary pujaris. The case of Pradeep Kumar and another in the case, they would contend that for generations their family have been pujaris of the temple. They are entitled to both emoluments and honorarium. They would contend that the temple was a very small temple with less than rupees 10,000 per annum as its income, and that the grandfather of the petitioners had repaired the temples. Justice Priyadarshini faulted the tribunal for giving contradictory findings on whether they were entitled to hold the post of a trustee and a pujari, and also coming to a conclusion that it is the commissioner who should carry out the duty of recognizing them as pujaris. After pinpointing the contradictions, Justice M.G. Priyadarshini remanded the matter back to the tribunal to iron out the contradictions and pass a final order. Justice Maushami Bhattacharya of the Telangana High Court is now judicially viewing a tender issued by DRDO for operation and maintenance of carbon and carbon processing equipment. Hydro Pneumatic Engineers Private Limited moved the court complaining of a cartel being created over there for the grant of the said tender. They said the petitioner would complain that courts have repeatedly said that a single tender must always stand strict scrutiny or be rejected, and it was in fact done earlier in this matter. Complaining of a cartel, the petitioner would also require of the court that the direction be given that that Rainbow Multi-Tech, the beneficiary of the said tender, be blacklisted. Thank you. See you again on Monday.